Ka General Assembly jong ka Presbyterian Church of India sian kan sa penlong ya ka jingiseng pajba ka bajulong sisen man ka archnem ya ka balatip kum ka 46 Biennial General Assembly bat ka centenary celebration arhajar arpun rio. Ha ka ju kapor ka jingra kheru ya ka jingdap sis pa asnem jong ka Presbyterian Church of India ka banlong nadu ka arp khandai terik uyayong hadu ka lai terik ujemang arhajar arpun rio. Ya gani jing seng la IT ban penyaj da ka balang Presbyterian Port Muri. But hagi jing seng hagi ni kisan sngi kamta maka arterik ujemang ka bedai kesngi sajany haka ba pli ya ka centenary celebration. But ya ka laiterik kesngi ka bakhadu kata kesngi utrai and sawani shimbanta na ki riunget na ki khatway tili kisinat na kalengkari India but kawai ka provisional sinat ya ka jing seng haka arterik Hakabaan pli perdaru ya ke centenary celebration arjar arpunreo en penlong hamadan he maulai bat kisngi ke bakhadu kata ka laiterik ya ke jingeseng ke baspo beje menstep bat ka bashi beje no paisngi en penlong hamadan JN Stadium Shillong bat hakapor janmit en penlong biang hamadan he maulai
hakani kapor ngiawan kumne na kalyang ga General Assembly jong kabalang Presbyterian dari India bat kumjo na kabalang Presbyterian Port Muri kabadi ka host church jong kini ka program ka bakerpang ka 46 Biennial General Assembly bat ka centenary jubilee celebration arjar arfun rio kabanlong na do ka arpo khandai tarik u April hado lai tarik Umi arjar arfun rio. Ka program kan sedang nado ka arpo praterik hakaba kidokot jong ka executive committee jong ka Presbyterian Church of India kin one tingin sedang igajingaseng akapuar menmir nyobeje ya ka banyalam daga balang ka host church te hakat arpo khandai April kindon ki committee ki prepare pada kajo kapor arpo khandai terik janmet ki delegates na ki khatway tili ki synod but kaway ka provisional synod ngin one but ni community na ki arajar sans pa ngut ki delegates na ki khatar tili ki sinot bentuk ke provisional sinot kini wan manyadanungkat ha kini kejing menjongi ha kini ke final meeting kejongi bat ni kemidenti ha ka laiterik ke sni try ke Sunday kejing sen maro ha ka puas siteng bat sibiji siteng ngin long hantai ha GN complex ha ka jo por ngin bo ki giant screen na benta kito kibamnyam show ka stadium tingin penonton ru ya ka second ground pada ka joko por ka parking lot pad ngit scam bad ngi community bagi riungai na kibopon klikisot kin one sa kini jingaseng ka bahe ka basa jingkan mau but we are expecting like lots of faithfuls to be able to come this time to worship together and to celebrate the Jubilee, centenary Jubilee together. So we would request for all those who made plans to worship along with us, especially on the 3rd May, Sunday, that in a few days' time we are going to air regarding the how then that we can come to the venue for this eventful occasion. I mean, we will try to elaborate more regarding the way where to reach. We have prepared in such a way. We are working together along with the traffic department, government Meghalaya, and we are working neck and neck and closely with the government regarding this occasion. Kalau ngajin kerpat ba Ito ki ba penkre ila di ban wan kamtam ko singi utrai pin ngobha ban page ngin sa ai jing tip ling ba ka press hoi through social media kumno bangila man poi sya kani ki jingaseng hamadan pulo na ki lenti ki ba fair kita ki ba wan na riboy ki ba wan na West Coast Hills ki ba na Jante Hills bat ki ba na Keleng kumno bangila man poi sa madan pulo bat kumjo ro hakini ki jingaseng ki ba ngin senang na do kami arfu pratrik hakabalang Presbyterian Fortmori ka badai ka host church jong kini event ni kwaro pan pendapat ba ka artrik sni sejan ka port siteng kandon ki inaugural service ki ding rakhi jong ni ki ding tap sispas nam jong balang Presbyterian hari India kani kan long hamadan hai stadium te hakatu basni kandon ka jing pelat pat ba ka souvenir kandon ka hoisting of the flag but kandon ki jing ai ki bakarpang yi kita ki belano senyang ya kabalang Presbyterian hari India tiga jing seng mid ru kandong hamadan hai stadium nadu kasing sajan ni kwa manitho nadu si sajan kamadan hai stadium kande kejaka hakabangin belong yi ki seng mid bat ke jing rakhi ya kaniga centenary jubilee celebration jong kabalang so all the centenary jubilee celebration will commence at 10:30 a.m. on the 2nd of May. That will be Saturday, and so even the night service that day also will be at the Madanhai Stadium, and also the Sunday night service will be at Madanhai Stadium. So we are expecting round about 130 special delegates to join along with the delegates of the biennial, and also we are expecting not less than 250 choir members from all the synods, standing choirs. They'll be presenting their numbers during the biennial and also during the centenary celebration. So thank you all, and if you have any